Chapter 27 The Great Storm Over the Sea. Ecclesiastes, 1st chapter 9th verse, and 3rd chapter 15th verse, reveal a great unchangeable principle in God's universe. What has been is what will be, and what has been done is what will be done, and there is nothing new under the sun. What is happening now has happened before, and what will happen in the future has happened before, because God makes the same things happen over and over again. The scope and probability of the application of this principle is almost limitless, limiting our interpretation to our present context. We can safely state that what happened in the beginning of the world's history shall happen again at the end of the world. We know the old saying that history repeats itself. This is actually simplified form of Ecclesiastes 1st chapter 9th verse and 3rd chapter 15th verse. In the beginning of the world's history, there was a one world government, and at the end of the world too, there shall be a one world government. At the beginning of the human world, it was quite natural and easy to have one world government. The population at that time was just a few hundred of thousands. All the men and women were speaking one language. All humans were one nation with one culture, one language, and one ideology. The one who declared himself as the king of the world was the strongest person on earth, with no one to compete. All these conditions made it an as easy and a natural development to form a one world government. But the conditions in the present world are vastly different. Mankind is divided into hundreds of ethnic races, and there are thousands of languages and dialects spoken in the world. Because of this condition, mankind is no longer one nation, and it is nearly impossible to bring all these people under one authority. Germany, France, Japan, America, and Great Britain thought that they could rule the whole world and tried to establish their own supremacy over the rest of the world. This led to two world wars. The two world wars ended up in the great devastation of all the countries involved, but nobody's supremacy was established. How then can we have one world government in the end time? How will all the countries in the world accept one person as their king? It is not going to be an easy task. It is almost impossible. And God shall fulfill his word. There shall be a one world government in spite of so much diversity in the world. All the people and nations of the world shall be compelled to accept one person from the Middle East as the king of the world. God will make it possible. Under ordinary circumstances, the formation of a one world government is impossible. But God shall create some extraordinary circumstances in which accepting one ruler over the whole earth becomes the only choice before the people of the world. God shall bring a series of unforeseen incidents in the political scenario of the world, which will lead to the formation of a one world government and acceptance from all the people of the world toward that world dictator. The first incident that triggers the series of a unpredictable political development is the great storm over the world, which is